All right, guys, I'm out here with the bourbon, Carl's Bourbon. We did the 16K in with the Resilient Sound Platinum 18s. You guys have seen it before. We got it on the meter. We're just messing around. He just did a 149.2 on the dash, and we're about to put it in the kick with his door open, and we're gonna see if it does any better. So we're gonna put it down here in the kick, hit reset. Alright. So yeah, same thing. You're gonna make sure your bass knob's off and then turn that on. Run the bass knob up, hold it for a couple seconds, and then you can just hit pause on there. Wait till I shut the door. Alright, here we go. Let's see what it did. Oh my god, bro. 153.1. Holy shit, bro. This motherfucker is nasty, dude. Oh, mine only does a 154, bro. Yeah. Hell yeah, look at that again, yo. 153.1 on 2 Resilient Sound Platinum 18s in a box that I built for him a while ago. It's a little bit of a mess back here right now. We're doing a bunch of testing and stuff, but on the Berman's 16K. He's got a 60 amp hour LiPo bank that I built for him. A 320 amp alternator from JS up front. Yeah, this thing is bad to the bone.